channel. I have not posted on YouTube in what feels like a really hot minute, and I'm gonna kind of be doing a little bit of a rebrand on my YouTube channel. In the past, I feel like I was uploading videos that weren't really my vibe, but I thought it's what people would want to watch, and I'm just not gonna do that anymore. I'm gonna post what I want to post because I enjoy making these videos. So today I have an IKEA haul for you guys. If you didn't know, the closest IKEA to me is about a 3-hour drive, so I do not go very often, but I did recently go because I wanted a new desk, which I will show you the desk as the very last thing because everything is situated on the desk currently. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. My cat almost just knocked everything onto the floor, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from IKEA, and hopefully this gives you guys some inspo. Some of it seems really random, but I have an idea in mind where, you know, everything is gonna go. Everything I did buy with a purpose. I tried not to buy stuff that I didn't need. So without further ado, let's get into the items that I got. Let's go! Okay, so starting off, I got the, I'm not gonna actually pronounce the names because I would just butcher them. So I got this little hook, and it is actually a wall hanging hook, and these actually swing in all different sorts of directions, and I thought this would be perfect for like the winter time for hanging like wet, kind of snow covered jackets, because right now we have a coat closet, but when something is like wet or covered in snow, we don't really want to put it in there because it wouldn't dry super well. So I thought that this would be a really good thing to pick up. Don't remember how much it was, but everything at IKEA is incredibly inexpensive, so picked this up, thought it would be very useful. The next thing that I picked up were these two pillow covers. They are 20 by 20, and they are just gold and polka dotted, as you can see. Like I said, I got 2 of those. I have a bit of an obsession with pillows, and I don't know if you can really tell, but I do have a bit of kind of like a yellow gold theme in my room. I have some yellow pillows on my bed as well, so I thought that this might go in my room, and if not, I have another like guest bedroom that I'm planning on redoing at some point, and I don't really know what color scheme I'm gonna do, but I love polka dots, I love gold, so I figured I would definitely find somewhere to put these, so I picked 2 of those up. I think they were like $6 a piece, so very, very affordable. Could honestly even be less than that. And then to go along with that, just because I wasn't sure if I had the right size pillow, I did get 2 20 by 20 pillow inserts. The cool thing about IKEA is they have a ton of these pillow covers, and I think they're all the same size, so you can just actually get their inserts and then a ton of different covers, and you can change them out for seasons, kind of versatile, so that's that. So next thing that I picked up were these 4 dish towels. I want to say it was $2.99 for 4 of these, which is a great, great price. Looks like you get a polka dotted, kind of like a grid one with pots and pans, and then I'm not entirely sure what the 4th one is. They are just black and white with like almost like a minty green color, which I really liked. My kitchen is primarily white, so I figured that these would look really cute, and I'm a sucker for polka dots, so I saw it, knew I needed it, you know? Okay, so next, this was only $2.99, so it's not really something that I needed or went there with the intention of buying, but then I saw it and I was like, I might really like this. So it's actually an iPad holder, so it sits on, you know, your desk or your kitchen counters, and then what you do is you put your iPad just like this, and you know, you can have like a recipe on there, or you could have TV on there, and it just kind of holds it in an upright position, so that's kind of nice. Definitely not something you need, but it's kind of a nice little accessory, and for the price I just picked it up because I figured why not. You can also put your iPad in the other direction as well, so you can have it like this. Okay, really quickly, I figured I would show you guys the 2 things that Justin picked out. He did go to IKEA with me, and he also kind of loves IKEA. He weirdly got a shoehorn because he's an old man at heart, and this was in the as-is section for $1.74. It's in perfect condition, so I'm not sure if they just put, you know, older items in there or what, but he picked that up. And then we have a pegboard in our basement. We actually have 2 that are above his desk and above his like studio space. He's a ceramic artist, if you did not know, so he picked up like a pegboard I think this is like a pencil or brush holder. It's just kind of like a longer basket type of deal. I'm not really sure what he wants it for, but he picked that up as well, so I just thought I would quickly share those with you guys. Okay, so next up again is an item that I totally did not need, but I saw these in their showroom just all around the place, and it really inspired me to get one. So first of all, it's just this kind of like glass dome, and then what they did in the showrooms is they usually had some sort of fake plant underneath. So I found this little guy. He was 49 cents, and I thought that this could look kind of cute just displayed somewhere to give you an idea what it would look like. I thought it was cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I didn't need it, but I support my decision to buy it. Okay, next thing that I grabbed is actually for my mom. When I told her I was going to IKEA, she said, can you please look and see if they have any solutions for something that holds pots and pans, because I don't like keeping them in my cupboard. So I did find a couple things while I was there, and we thought that this was the best solution, so I actually picked up 2 of these for my mom. It's just like a little metal bar, and then it has metal hooks, and you can hang pots and pans off of these hooks. I'll try and insert a picture of this product because obviously I'm not going to be hanging this in my house, so that way you guys can kind of see what its purpose is. I thought it was really stylish and really unique if you're looking for like a good storage solution, and you could use this for a ton of different things like pots, pans. You could use it for cups, you know, anything that you're looking to hang anywhere really. So very good solution. It was not a lot. Picked up 2 of those for my mom. Alright, next thing I picked up is pretty self-explanatory, but it is a, oh, you can see all my lights. It is a picture frame, and as you can see in the background, I have a neon light right here, but I actually have a lot of wall space that does not have art on it, so I figured that this could be really good for that. I have some prints that I've saved on Etsy that I want to pick up, and I thought that this frame was really cute, so I just picked one up to put art in it, as you do with a frame. Okay, and then I was actually pretty excited about this. It is a laptop holder. It also looks like it has a spot for your iPad, but essentially it's just a tray. So it's flat on the top, and as you can see, it does have these little like inserts. So this is for the iPad right here, but it has legs. It's a tray. I'll try and do a video of once I unpackage this, what it looks like on my bed. But I do work on my bed a lot, so I thought that this would be kind of better so that my hot laptop is not sitting on my legs, because I use my laptop a lot and it overheats a lot, and I just figured that this would be kind of nice for when I'm working on my bed or my couch or anything like that. So that's the reasoning for that one. The last thing besides my desk that I picked up was actually a fake plant. I do have an idea of where this is gonna go. Like I said, I am redoing my kitchen, and I bought this really nice like thick wood shelf from Etsy, and I thought that a hanging plant would look amazing. I honestly wish I had picked up 2 of these plants, because now that I'm looking at it, I also think one could look really good in here if I put a shelf, or in our guest bedroom if I put a shelf. I just think these are so aesthetic and it looks so real. But essentially what you do at IKEA is you buy the plant, which is, this is the plant right here. You could keep it in the little black pot it comes in, but I did pick up a white pot. It was very inexpensive just to put it in and give it a little more of a finished look. I think it's super, super cute, and IKEA has a ton of really nice looking fake plants for not a lot of money, so highly recommend if you're looking for some fake plants and you have it in an IKEA near you that you go check these out. But that is everything that I picked up besides my desk, so I'm going to insert my desk right here. I'm probably butchering it, but it's the Alex drawers and then the Lapton top, which I know that I'm not pronouncing that right, so please don't be mean to me, but it's basically just 2 Alex drawers as the legs and then a flat top, and it gave me so much storage, and it's just bigger than my older desk used to be, and I'm so incredibly excited about it, so I'm going to insert that here. Alright guys, that's everything that I picked up from IKEA. Let me know what your favorite item was, and if you've been to IKEA recently or if you have a favorite IKEA product, let me know what your favorite IKEA product is, because I know sometimes they sell the same products over and over. Like the Alex drawers have been around forever and are a staple. So let me know what your favorite item from IKEA is, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely will be posting on YouTube more than I have previously, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I am pretty much posting almost on a daily basis, and we can talk and be friends. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends!